Forget spending thousands on a professional photographer for headshots that takes hours to shoot and days to edit. Today, I'm showing you how to save time and money while still getting high-quality professional headshots using AI. Whether you are an individual looking to upgrade your LinkedIn profile or you work at a company and need to create consistent headshots for your entire team, this solution is perfect for you. And if you like this topic, take a look at my other video where I cover free AI headshots options packed of samples and best practices. Check out at this link. Today, I'm taking out a notch with a SmartHeadshot, a premium AI tool that delivers professional quality results in just minutes from a fraction of a cost of a professional headshot session. Make sure you stick around until the end of this video because I have an exciting surprise for you that you won't want to miss. Okay, check out these examples. They show the before and after comparisons. These aren't traditional photo shoots. They are AI-generated headshots that look incredibly realistic. Whether you need a LinkedIn profile, social media presence, or a profile picture for your professional website, this tool has you covered with 25 different outfits and 25 background options to choose from. Let's dive into how it works step by step. First, head over to a SmartHeadshot website and create an account. Once you are logged in, simply click on the Create Your Headshot Now button to get started. Then select your gender. This helps the AI tailor the results specifically to you. The interface is super intuitive and will guide you through each step. Now for the fun part. SmartHeadshot offers 25 different outfit options to choose from. Whether you need something formal like a business suit, business casual, or even creative professional looks, you can select multiple options. You can mix and match based on your industry and your personal style. This is where the SmartHeadshot really shines compared to the free options I showed you in my other video. The clothing detail and the realism is seriously impressive. Next, choose your backgrounds. Again, you can select multiple options here. They offer from office settings, audio environments, and more. Think about where you might use these headshots. LinkedIn might call for something more formal, while your personal brand website might benefit from something with more personality. If you wear glasses, SmartHeadshot gives you the options to include them in your AI headshots. You can choose whether you add glasses based on your personal preference and the image you want to project. This step is crucial for quality results. You will need to upload at least 10 clear photos of yourself. For best results, use recent photos here, taken within the last 6 months. Include at least one photo from the waist up. Make sure they have good lighting and well lit, and only feature you. Avoid blurry images, accessories like hats or sunglasses, and also group pictures. And this is really cool. You can also scan this QR code to upload it from your phone directly to your computer. After clicking continue, the AI gets to work depending on your selected options. This process typically takes 1 to 3 hours. During this time, the system analyzes your features and creates professional headshots based on your selections. Once complete, you will find all your generated headshots on your dashboard. From there, you can download them in high resolution, ready to use professionally. And before we continue, as promised at the beginning of this video, here's my surprise for you. The team from SmartHeadshot is offering my viewers a free trial. Here's how you can claim it. Register for an account on a SmartHeadshot website. Fill out the Google form in the description below with the registered email and your UID. Within 3 to 5 days, you will receive a free trial access. This is exclusive to my viewers, so don't miss out. And for those who decide to purchase after the trial, I've included my special affiliate link in the description below that will give you the best available deal. So here are my final thoughts. So how this compared to the free options I covered in my previous video? Let's be honest. While those free tools are great for casual use, they simply don't deliver the same high-quality results as SmartHeadshot. The difference in realism and professional polish is immediately noticeable. If you want to achieve similar qualities using free alternatives like Recruit, Flux, or any face swap website, you will need a specialized technical knowledge and tons of training time to fine-tune the models properly. That's hours of learning and experimenting that most of us don't have. SmartHeadshot eliminates all that hassle with a user-friendly platform. The clothing details, natural expressions, and the overall quality makes this worth the investment, especially when you consider the cost of a traditional professional photo shoot and the time you will spend trying to master free alternatives. Let me know in the comments if you try SmartHeadshot and share your results. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more tech tips and tools. And remember, the AI we are living in today is just the beginning. The best is yet to come. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.